Alright guys, finally getting the Delta T2 out. 725 T2 in process of assembling. Getting all the pieces out of the box. Not going to do a necessarily a video opening and setting it up. There's hundreds if not thousands of those on YouTube, so, and some pretty good ones. Some really short, some really long. Depends on what you're after, but yeah, just a quick shot of the day. What we got going on here, and in the back corner back there, I'm gonna have a sink. I've got a little stainless steel sink that I ordered, and I'm gonna do the install. And I've got my plans for the dust collection to go around the air condition, the mini split there. Right now, I'm just kind of getting stuff up out of the way. I added a couple more of these racks here over there on the far right. I added one so I could put smaller pieces, and then I added this far left one right next to the mini split. That way I can put 16-foot lumber on there, and it's a little closer to the mini split than I like, but I just have to be careful when I get up high. If I do anything, I probably won't have any 16-foot stuff that high. Maybe, I don't know. Probably won't buy any 16-foot at all. We'll see. But depends on the pricing of this stuff. But anyway, and then the chop saw miter station will be actually under the rack. So last thing I got to do in here as far as trim work or painting or anything is just I got to build up the trim around the windows where the there was an extra half-inch insulation board in the walls before they put the T111 on the outside, so that made the window frames a little shallow, so I got to build those up. I got a little happy when I was cutting the sheetrock on that one and cut it too deep, but I'm going to fill that in anyway because the board's right under that. So I have a wide piece of trim on the bottom to support. Not sure exactly what that style of casing I put on is going to look like, but we'll get that figured out in the coming days. Again, I can do those one window at a time before I start covering them up, and I just wanted to get everything buttoned up. And I did put 2 coats of polyurethane oil-based on the floors. So still a little righteous in here with the smell, although I had 2 fans running for about 10 days, for the most part 10 days, because the humidity was actually low in our area for the time being. So that worked out really nice. Got this down. We're a good chemical grade mask, P100 I think is the cartridge in it. While I was putting these 2 coats down. Turned out real nice. Probably did even look better with a 3rd coat of satin poly, but again, the oil base, but 2 is all I can stand. I got to get this, got to get things clicking, man. I got so many projects on the house, and then some builds I want to make, try to sell. So just a quick update for you for this, guys. This will be probably pared down and put in another video. We shall see. I may just drop one every other day for a bit. So stay tuned. Got several other openings and setup videos, probably just to set up videos on several of these items again. So all right, talk to you guys soon. Thanks.